In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize image in Notion. Let's get started right inside a Notion page. Place your cursor where you want the image to appear. This can be on a new line or between existing content. To quickly bring up the insert menu, type a /. This opens Notion's command palette so you don't have to hunt through menus. Begin typing image right after the slash and you'll see the image option appear in the list. Select it to insert an empty image block. With the image block in place, you'll see options to bring an image into your page. Choose Upload File. This tells Notion you want to add a picture from your computer rather than linking to one on the web. Your file picker will open. Navigate to the image you want to use. Click it and confirm. Common formats like JPG and PNG work great. If you're choosing between multiple files, opt for a clear, reasonably sized image to keep your page snappy and easy to load. Once the upload finishes, your image will appear right in the document. Now for the resizing. Hover your mouse over the image to reveal the resize handles. Click and drag from a corner or edge to make the image larger or smaller. As you drag, Notion keeps the aspect ratio intact, so your picture won't get stretched or squashed. Release the mouse when the preview looks right. If you're working with a narrower page, you may notice the image won't grow beyond the available content width. That's expected. Notion respects the page layout. In that case, find a size that feels balanced with your text. If the image looks too tiny next to your content, try scaling it up until the spacing feels comfortable. And if it's stealing the show, simply drag inward to dial it back. A few quick tips while you resize. Think about the purpose of the image. Decorative images can be smaller and inline, while diagrams or screenshots should be large enough to read comfortably. If your picture appears blurry after enlarging, it likely means the original file is low resolution. Resizing in Notion changes how the image is displayed on the page. It doesn't improve or degrade the underlying file, so start with a clear source when possible. And if you change your mind later, just hover and drag again. Resizing is completely non-destructive. That's all there is to it. Type the / command, choose image, upload your file, and drag the corner to resize. Follow these steps and your Notion pages will look clean, readable, and exactly the way you want.